You need a floor plan, but you don't know how to start. Whether you are designing your dream home or planning a renovation, today I'll show you how to create a clean, professional floor plan in just less than 15 minutes. Let's go. First, open AutoCAD and start a new drawing. Type units and press enter. Set the unit type to architectural or decimal. I'm using architectural for this demonstration. Let's draw the outer walls. Type rectangle command or you just click on rectangle icon, and after drawing the rectangle at desired measurement you just offset inward at 5 inch. Then explode, then copy at desired distances. I'm now copying these walls at a distance 6 feet 5 inch. Now I'm trimming the unwanted part of the rectangle. Now I'm making an offset of 6 feet and 5 inch. Now I'm drawing a line from the midpoint and shifting or moving by move command 2.5 inch. Again I'm trimming and the unnecessary part of the walls, just making offset and extending this line. Command is ex. Now I'll draw the doors. To draw the doors you have to create the gap, so I am offsetting 39 inch the door distance. Now trimming the unwanted part. Now I'm going to draw the windows. So what I did, just I took the midpoint and draw a line. Now I'm going to offset that line for the half of window length, like 15 inch. So the window total length is 30 inch. Now I'm offsetting 15 inch each side. Now I'm trimming, just giving the command tear. Now I'm extending, command is ex and click. I'm going to offset about 39 inch and remove the unnecessary part. Now again I'm trimming the unwanted part from the walls. To trim you have to write down tear and hit enter. I'm offsetting 36 inch, and to trim, to to make out the door from the kitchen, it will be the kitchen. Now here there will be a garage, so I have offset 8 feet, a standard distance for the garage. It is 13 feet 2 inch, so I have to increase the length, like I have to make it 18 feet. So I took an offset 5 feet 10 inch, so it will be 18 feet. Now remove the unnecessary part of the line by just typing tier and hit enter. Let's see the dimension. Oh, it's 19 feet. 1 feet is larger, so I have to make short. The length should be 18 feet. Okay, and now it is 18 feet. So I'm going to make a door here. So I'm going to shorten 39 inch and closing it by drawing a line. Now I'm going to give the fillet command here to trim at the corner. Just type F, hit enter. Now I'm going to give the doors and windows. To give the doors and windows, you can put it manually, draw it manually, or else you can insert the blocks. I have prepared that blocks earlier. Now I'm just putting that blocks of windows and doors here. So it is uh, going to reduce my timeline here. Now the doors. So I'm going to rotate these doors about 90-degree. Just it is a bit larger, so I'm stressing it to make it shorter. The advantages of creating a block is you can put the doors easily, as it is a dynamic blocks, so I can easily change the direction, width and length. Now I'm going to put the sliding doors here. So windows and sliding doors, the symbols are same, so putting the same blocks here is very good. To make dynamic blocks like doors and windows, you have to put number of doors and windows in a plan, so it is better to make a block and put it here as per the length and dimension, so it saves time and you'll feel comfortable working with repeated doors and windows in a floor plan. Now I'm going to put some furnitures here. This is the car, and I'm putting some beds, sofas, and some washroom fixtures. Here the sofas. I need to move the sofas from here to here, and I have just rotated it, or you can mirror it. Just 90 I'm shifting the dining table. it is a bit larger, so I'm scaling to reduce the dining table. So these are the fixtures of the washroom. I'm just putting these fixtures, moving a bit so that it aligns. Now I'm going to mirror the same fixture in the other side, as the two bathrooms are just opposite, and here the kitchen cabinet. So I just draw two lines and give the fillet command. Now I am going to give the annotations. This is a veranda. So to give annotation, you have to give command DT and hit enter. Now I'm copying the same annotation to different rooms. Thereby you can reduce the time. Now I'm editing the different rooms. This is dining, this is bed 1, this is bed 2, and this is living room. That's all. Now I'm going to give the dimensions. To give the dimensions, hit dim linear and just click on or write dim continue, dim cont, and thereby you can continue all the dimensions. The dimensions looks bigger, so I'm going to reduce the text height. To reduce the text height, you can go to the properties and just find out the text height. It is 8 inch, so I'm giving it 4 inch, just half. So the text height is reduced. Now looks a bit better. So just reduced the text height. Now I'm giving the dimensions from the left side. Here there is a dimension earlier given, so I delete it. Now the dimension in the right side. Same procedure, you have to give one dimension, then later on you write down dim continue and put the dimensions here, and that's it. The floor plan is completed. Thank you for watching. If you are benefited with this free tutorial, it is my pleasure. Thank you so much.